Welcome back, Crammers, to question 5. Zoya buys a notebook and some pencils. The book costs 6.9 pounds. Each pencil costs 0.55 pounds. Zoya has a total of 15 pounds to spend on the book and the pencils. She buys as many pencils as she can. Work out how many pencils she buys. So since it's we know that she only buys one book. So we have here a total of 15 minus 6.9. Now, we know that each pencil is 0.55 pounds, so we divide by 0.55. Now, we can put this into a calculator and find our answer. We have 15 minus 6.9 divided by 0.55 gives us 14.7. 14.72, and she can only buy a whole number of pencils, so we have to round down here. So we only have 14 pencils. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.